Hello everyone, welcome back to Jainixi Watches. And this time, we're checking out one of the most talked about watches from Naviforce, the NF9197L. This watch has gained massive attention since its release. And now it's back with even cooler colors and also in a leather strap and a steel bracelet. So let's unbox and see why it's the most popular Naviforce. Inside the box, you get a guarantee card, an instruction manual, and the beautiful NF9197L watch itself. At first glance, solid, stylish, and sporty. The watch is powered by a Japanese quartz movement, ensuring accuracy and reliability. The case body is made of zinc alloy with chrome plating, giving it that stainless steel-like shine and strength. It's solid, durable, and weighs around 101 grams, which feels perfect on the wrist, neither too heavy nor too light. At the back, you get a stainless steel case back, engraved with 3 ATM water resistance, so daily splashes and light rain. No problem at all. The design is where this watch truly shines. It features a dual display, analog plus digital, combining the classic look of needles with modern convenience. The green tachymeter bezel gives it a bold and energetic vibe, while the chrome-plated silver body adds elegance. Every detail, from the textured dial to the luminous hands, feels premium, crafted for those who love sporty luxury. The NF9197L is not just good-looking. It's fully loaded with features. You get a dual-time display, a chronograph stopwatch, an alarm, day and date, and an LED backlight for night use. The chronograph works like this. Press the top right button to start the timer, press again to stop, and the bottom right to reset. It's simple and responsive. And yes, it even has a special charm mode. Once activated, it gives a beep beep sound every hour. That's one small but very cool feature you won't find in most watches. Dual time display means your watch can show 2 different time readings at once. One on the analog dial with hands and another on the digital screen. Now, both displays can either show 2 different time zones, for example, India and USA, or the same time zone, in 24-hour format. This watch also features a digital alarm, perfect for your daily reminders. To set it, just press the mode button until the alarm screen appears. Then use the reset and start buttons to set your hour and minute. When you see the bell icon, your alarm is on. And when the time hits, you'll hear a sharp digital beep sound like this. Press any button to stop it. Simple, smart, and reliable. Just like a perfect time partner. Now, let's talk about the day and date feature. Watch shows both the current day of the week and the date on its digital display. Then press reset to move through the settings. Hours, minutes, year, month, date, and day. Use the start-stop button to change each value. Once done, press mode again to confirm. Simple, quick, and you're ready to go. The watch also comes with a bright LED backlight feature. Just press the top left button and the entire digital display lights up beautifully, making it easy to read the time, date, or even use the stopwatch at night. The light turns off automatically after a few seconds to save battery. With a 46mm case diameter and 17mm thickness, the watch looks bold but fits comfortably on the wrist. It comes with a genuine leather strap, soft, flexible, and designed for all-day wear. The buckle system makes adjustments super easy. It's comfort and class, both in one package. The NF9197L comes in a variety of stunning colors. But the silver green version, it's elegant, vibrant, and pairs perfectly with every outfit, whether it's office, party, or casual wear. This watch is built for daily wear. Accurate Japanese quartz movement, water resistance, and long battery life make it one of the most trusted Naviforce models. So that's the Naviforce NF9197L. A complete all-rounder with looks, features, and reliability packed into one design. Comment below if you want a full, detailed video on how to set the date, day, and alarm in this watch, and I'll make it for you next. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more watch reviews, and follow at Jainixi Watches on Instagram for daily updates. You can buy this watch directly from JainixiWatches.com or DM us on WhatsApp for any watch requirement for you or your friends. See you in the next one. Till then, stay stylish and stay on time.